Bob, alam ko matagal mo na itong sinisilip sa Fully Book, kaya ito na lang ang binigay ko. Let's enjoy our journey for the rest of our lives. I miss you and I love you.
Kilala kami sa time ng pandemic. So, that was January 2021.
She got quarantined for COVID. Doon, totally na-develop yung love story namin.
Cause I feel so high, it's so high in love. Where it's cold, when it's dark, when I feel like I'm done. Just one look at your face, and your smile takes me home. You are my sunshine. You are my
Love, accept this gift that we bought. Oh my God, you have been my answered prayer as I have been yours. Si Maki, sobrang kulit niya.
Mabait siya. Kinda.
Iba yung humor kasi niya na hindi ko in-expect na ma-attract ako dun sa humor na meron siya.
Dear Boob, di ba dapat di tayo mag-end up ng ganito? Naalala mo ba yung sinabi ko sa'yo dati nung first few weeks natin as friends? Kasi we both have plans individually and I even wish myself luck sa mapapangasawa ko kasi di talaga ako marunong magluto. Pero iba talaga si Lord eh. At sabi niya, ikaw pala yung taong yun.
Dearest Dorothy Joy, never in my life that I imagined that I will find you. God is indeed moving in the most mysterious ways possible. In the midst of the most trying times, I found love. I found you.
Ini-expect ko hindi na magiging single na ako forever eh. So,
I think, for me, siya yung answered prayer ko talaga.
nung na-fell in love ako sa kanya, sabi ko, ito na.
Panalangin namin, Maki and Doti, na kayong mag-asawa ay maging handang mag-alay sa bawat isa. The capacity to offer and lay down one's life for one another.
I shall love, serve, and sacrifice for you and our family for the rest of my life. I shall always love you to the moon and stars and back, to kingdom come and all eternity. I love you.
maraming salamat sa pagtanggap sa imperfect version of me. And I promise to love and accept the imperfect version of you. Excited na ako to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much.